So today I'm going to talk about setting Java executable within our environment variable. So this is one of the fundamental things which a Java developer needs to know. So it could be our execution environment could be Linux, or it could be Mac, or it could be Windows. But one fundamental thing what they need to know is whether our Java compiler is available as part of the path or not. So this video, I'm just going to talk about this. So now you can see before you in the screen, I've just opened up IntelliJ IDE, and there is a code here. And this code within IntelliJ, it is very easy. You can just run the code, and it will just compile it, and it will show the output. So we are fine with it. But let's say there are some situations where you are not using IntelliJ, but you are, let's say, on a command prompt. So I'll just show the same thing. So here I am in a directory where, let me clear my screen. So here I am in a directory. Now I'll just see what files are present. So we have a file named main.java. So now I will try to compile this file. But it says javac is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program, or batch file. So now let me come to the solution. So the problem which we faced is that it is not able to compile this main.java file because the compiler is itself is not being recognized by Windows operating system. So now I will basically open the environment variables. So this is how, so you go to the search bar and you search for environment, and you see a pop-up dialog which says system properties, and here within environment variables there are user variables and then there are system variables. So now let's say I want to go and edit the path. So if I go and view the path, already there are some executable files. The path to the executable files are added in the environment variable named path, but our Java compiler is not added. So now in my machine, let me open up. So this folder JDK. So here I have installed already some JDKs within my machine. So what I will do is Java 17 JDK. I'm going to add this to my path. So before that, let me show. Yes, so Java C. So Java C is present in this particular folder. So what I will do is I'll copy this. I'll go back to the environment variable which I was editing. Basically, path is the environment variable. So now I will just add an entry here. Okay. Now I'll press OK. 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 So now again, let me run the code. Still, it will tell it is not recognized because the environment variable for any command prompt, there will be some environment variables loaded as soon as a command prompt is opened. As of now, it is we need to refresh the environment variable. So for that, I run the command refresh env. Okay, so this will basically refresh the environment variable from the registry for this command.exe, right? So now, okay, let me clear the screen. Now I will run javac main.java. Okay, so now it has ran successfully. Let us see if any extra file is being added. So main.class. So this is the class generated by javac. So now what we will do is we will run java space. Okay, so now we are able to successfully run this code, right? So in this video, basically I wanted to show this is one of the fundamental aspects about environment variables, which is important with regard to any Java program execution. Even if you take a big enterprise application as well, there will be some scripts which basically shows that gives the path to where javac is present, or java.exe is present because that is what is ultimately required in order to run your Java program, right? So I hope this was helpful to you. At least it will be helpful to many Java beginners who are using Windows operating system for their daily programming. So I hope it is helpful to you. Thank you for your time and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to support my efforts. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.